remedies to get rid of frizzy hair. So what's causing the frizz? In short, dryness and damage. Your hair is constantly thirsty, and when its hydration requirements are not met, the cuticles, the outermost part of your hair shaft, which is made up of dead cells that keep your hair healthy and protected, rise to let moisture in. The excess moisture from the atmosphere causes your hair to swell up and, you've got it right, frizz. Constant dehydration leads to damage, leaving your hair frizzy and lifeless. Frizz is a cry for nourishment and moisture. There are many things you can do to tame it, starting off with ensuring that you are eating right and drinking enough water. Once you have those two things down, you need to treat your hair to some good old-fashioned TLC with regular oiling and hair masks. Below I have put together a list of 6 natural remedies you can use to treat your frizz. Remedies for frizzy hair. 1. Almond oil and egg. You will need 1/4 cup almond oil, 1 raw egg. Method 1. Combine the almond oil and egg until you get a smooth mixture. Optionally, you can just whisk the egg and apply it to your hair. 2. Section your hair and start applying the mixture to your scalp and through the length of your hair. 3. Wait for 40 minutes and then rinse your hair as usual. 4. Use a good shampoo and conditioner, preferably one without sulfates. Benefits. Almond oil acts as an emollient. The egg repairs damage in the hair shaft with its high protein content. This is considered to be one of the best remedies for frizz. 2. Coconut oil and vitamin E. You will need 1 part vitamin E oil, 4 parts organic cold-pressed coconut oil. Method 1. Mix both the oils and pour it into an airtight container to be stored. 2. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of the oil depending on the length of your hair. 3. Apply it all on your scalp and through the length of your hair. 4. Wash your hair after about 40 minutes. Benefits. Vitamin E helps fight free radicals and prevents hair damage. 4. Coconut oil has penetrative properties that deep condition your hair. 5. 3. Banana. You will need 1 ripe banana, 2 teaspoons honey, 1/3 cup coconut oil/almond oil. Method 1. Mash the banana until there are no lumps and to it add the honey and oil to form a smooth paste. 2. Apply the mixture all over your scalp and hair, and leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes. 3. Rinse thoroughly with shampoo and conditioner. Benefits. Bananas are great for hair conditioning, especially when it is combined with honey, which is a well-known humectant. A banana mask for hair is just the kind of attention your hair deserves. 4. Lemon and honey. You will need 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 cup water. Method 1. Combine all the ingredients and pour it through freshly washed hair. 2. Massage your scalp for a couple of minutes and then let the mixture sit for an additional 10 minutes. 3. Rinse with lukewarm water and shampoo. Benefits. The mask removes dirt and grime from the hair shaft, which improves cuticle health, reducing frizz. The rich vitamin C content also helps boost hair growth. The bleaching agents can give you some natural and subtle highlights. 5. Honey. You will need 2 tablespoons honey, 2 cups warm water. Method 1. Dilute the honey with water and pour it through your hair. 2. Once your hair is saturated with the mixture, let it sit for 30 minutes. 3. Shampoo and condition. Benefits. This is a simple solution that isn't too time-consuming. Like I mentioned before, honey is an excellent humectant, which means that it does a great job at sealing moisture in your hair. It makes your hair stronger, smoother, and shinier. 6. Honey and yogurt. You will need 2 to 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey. What you have to do. 1. Mix the honey and yogurt in a bowl. 2. Apply the mixture on your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes. 3. Wash with cold water. Benefits: yogurt is an effective deep conditioner and honey helps in retaining moisture. It also acts as an emollient and makes hair smoother and shinier. I hope you like my video, then you like and subscribe my channel.